Introducing the iLogic Plus FS series by Iluminar Lighting. Smart, scalable, and designed for ultimate flowering performance. Available in 340, 630, and 1030 watts, the iLogic Plus FS delivers powerful, full-spectrum illumination for every stage of plant growth. Its removable bars and driver ensure quick maintenance with zero downtime, while sulfur-resistant technology extends LED chip durability. Water-resistant connectors provide added protection, and Iluminar controllers let you manage up to 512 fixtures with ease. Backed by a 5-year warranty, the iLogic Plus FS series is built for professional growers who demand efficiency, precision, and reliability. Elevate your growth today. Visit iluminarlighting.com